Hello, my name is Reginald Love, and I'm a student enrolled in the Diesel Engine Fundamentals course with Mr. Carlos Rojas, an awesome instructor at Los Angeles Trade Tech College. For the past 4 weeks, our group disassembled, inspected, and reassembled the D722 Kubota diesel engine. During our project, I learned every engine component, how that component functions, how to inspect that component according to factory specifications, and how to identify and torque bolts to OEM, original equipment manufacturer standards. After 4 weeks of working with the engine, it's time for the initial startup. The oil pressure is at 60 psi according to equipment manufacturer standards. Thank you.